Hi guys, in today's quick tutorial video, I will be teaching you guys how you can easily download Discord on your laptop for free. So first open Microsoft Store. Now you need to search for Discord, hit enter. Now as you can see, Discord is on the first and it is for free. Now you need to click on it and you need to click on install. As you can see, it is almost done. As you can see, Discord is now fully installed. This much for today's video. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you very much for watching.